Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and today's happened to be St. Patrick's Day. So it is approximately 2:18 in the afternoon. I know, I'm so sorry, I'm a little late, but hey, I cannot let go and let pass the beautiful and lovely St. Patrick's Day, which always brings really good memories to all my old days behind the bar. You know, taking care of those patrons that they come over all in green. And trust me, I have my green underwear, so no need for you guys to see it. But also, I'm going to be making a cocktail today that is going to be answering the call of my friends Vino, Rob, and Dave up north. And this is going to be the hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2021 cocktail. So I hope you guys like it. Today we're not going to be using just one. We're going to be doing 3 cocktails that is going to be very easy for you guys to just run to the store right now, get these ingredients, and you're going to be making it in less than 5 minutes. Special thanks to my lovely wife that she hacked this lovely bar slash kitchen slash scenario. She totally killed it with that amazing and really cool cocktail. And well, let's just start by making the Guinness float. So this one has a little variation that I saw on the internet, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So what we're going to be using today is just your blender, and we're gonna put 1.5 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Okay, so once we have our ice cream in the blender, what we're gonna need next is a Guinness beer. Obviously, let's make sure that your beer is perfectly cold and chill. So once we have this in, we're gonna pour it very slowly sideways on your blender. That way, you're not gonna make a lot of foam. So just go for about 3/4 of the bottle, or you can put the full bottle and just add another scoop. That way, if you want to share it with some of your friends. So also, we're gonna need a 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce, according with your sweetness and how sweet do you want your cocktail to be, of Irish cream, Bailey's Irish cream, or any of the Irish creams on the market, whatever you have handy. And let's just proceed to blend it very smoothly. It's gonna start looking kind of like a mudslide. And I just have one a few minutes ago. If you like beer, you're gonna love this. It's just absolutely tasty. So it doesn't take too long to be made. We're gonna be using one of these nice Pilsner beer glass. And we're gonna proceed to pour it inside. And for your garnish, obviously you're gonna put a little bit more of ice cream. Put a cool straw on it. And there you have it, you guys. That's gonna be your Guinness float. Now, how can you not be celebrating St. Patrick's Day without an amazing and well done Irish coffee? There we go, we're gonna start working with your cup. And this is actually one of the things that you need to do. You need to have like a really nice heavy coffee. So in this case, I'm doing some French press. It's almost ready to go. But also one of the things that actually kills the coffee is to shock your coffee with a cold ingredient. So the best thing to do is kind of like a warm up and just kind of evaporate a little bit of the extra liquid in your Irish whiskey and just make sure that your mug is perfectly hot. How are we gonna do that? Well, if you happen to have one of these nice tins, make sure you put some really hot water in it. Kind of like make sure that everything is nice and hot in there. Dump the water. And let's go for 1.5 ounces of whiskey. In this case, I'm using one of my favorites. This one is Peaky Blinders. Love this stuff. It's just so good. Once we have this bad boy done, let's put a little bit of flame in it. Because it's already heated up, it's gonna catch up on flames really easy and very fast. So let's make sure that we stir, and we're gonna be I don't know, my producer will be so kind to turn off the light, one of the lights for a little bit, for 1 second. That way you can see the actual flame in it. And we're going to put a little bit of a cinnamon and sugar on top of it. Once we have that step done, grab your French press. Let's go 3/4 of it. And you're going to make this delicious cream. So this is heavy cream that you're going to actually whip a little bit with some brown sugar syrup. And just make sure that everything is just kind of like at the flavor and the sweetness the way you like it. And let's just proceed to try to layer it on top of our coffee. There we go. My goodness, that looks absolutely delicious. Ooh, that's perfect. This is your drink or cocktail number 2, your perfect Irish coffee. Now, in answering for the Shamrock, Drunken Shamrock 2021 challenge, we have to make our green cocktail. And what we're gonna be making, it is gonna be the green Dublin. And we're gonna go for 1.5 ounces. Irish whiskey, I'm sorry. We're gonna go for 1 full ounce of green apple pucker. And we're gonna go with 2 ounces of white cranberry juice. Really easy to find in any store. Let's put some ice. And let's give it a good shake. All right, let's try this guy. And let's garnish this guy with a perfect green apple fan. The Green Dublin for the Drunken Shamrock Challenge 2021. Cheers, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you the next time. Talk to you soon.